Did you know an entire island killed 2,000 soldiers in a single night without a single person breaking the secret? It was March 30th, 1282, in Sicily. French soldiers had ruled the island for years, and the locals despised them. Then the evening bells rang across Palermo. That was the signal. Coordinated groups across the entire island moved at once. By dawn, roughly 2,000 French soldiers were dead. No phones, no radios, just one bell giving everyone the same clock. Historians still debate who planned it, but whoever did pulled off the most perfectly coordinated uprising in medieval history.